Hi class. So I'm just gonna go a really quick overview of what is expected in this class. So as soon as you go into our class to the home page, you'll see the welcome letter. To the right side, it'll give you an overview of what is due for this week and any announcements that are scheduled. So getting to know each other is a discussion board, orientation quiz, and the pre-test are exams that you need to complete by the end of the week. So everything's due on February 16 before midnight, okay? So anything past midnight that you do, it will be deducted by points, so it's one letter grade below. So if you got all the answers correctly, it'll bring you down the score to a say, instead of an A, it would be a B. So it's going to bring you a whole grade down, okay? So keep that in mind. Pay attention to the due dates. At the bottom of the welcome letter, you'll see the start here. So it'll take you to the module section right away. So you know anytime that you come to the home page, it will give you the start of that week. So this is orientation module. This week you'll learn about Canvas, of how to navigate it, and the assignments that you guys will be doing. You guys will not be able to see module 1 chapter 2 yet because I have not see how this one is green, so it's been published. And but chapter 1, it's not green, so this is not published, so you guys are still not able to see this. But moving forward to chapter 1, I just wanted to show you guys that each section is divided. Each chapter is divided into sections, so I've gone ahead and separated by sections as well. You guys will be able to see me. So there will be a video, so I'll explain a little briefly about the section, and below you will see a video. So you'll click on that video and you'll able to see the PowerPoint presentation and me explaining it like if we were in a regular class. Another video, which I still have not uploaded, will be about example problems that I will be conducting. So you'll see that video here. Once you see those two videos, you'll move on to the next section, and it'll be the assignment that is due that week. So this is how the class will be set up, okay? So right now, so as a student, you will only be able to see what assignments are due that are available for you guys to submit. Pay close attention to whenever you guys are doing your assignments, that you respond accordingly. So for example, if you put a question mark instead of a slash, it'll mark it wrong. Make sure that when you guys are answering the question, when it tells you how many are unpainted, make sure you write the not just the number, but you write down 9 unpainted chairs, because that's what the question is asking you. In mathematics, especially for pharmacy, you have to put in the units. So if it was 9 milligrams, you would put 9 milligrams. If it was 9 tablets, you would put 9 tablets. Okay, make sure you answer correctly, because if you spell a word wrong, it'll mark it wrong. If you don't put a space between the 9 and the milligrams, for example, it'll mark it wrong. So pay close attention when you guys are answering your questions. If you feel that you've answered something correctly, but like I said, you misspelled unpainted, you forgot the I in painted, for example, and you put summit and it marked it wrong because you misspelled it. just go ahead and send me a message. So you'll go to inbox and just send me a message. Tell me what the assignment that you were working on. So for example, if this is the pretest, you'll tell me, can you please check pretest number 6? I'm sure I marked it wrong, or I misspelled the word, whatever it might be, that you feel that you answered it correctly. It'll give me a easier for me whenever I'm grading your assignments. That way, you'll get, when you go to your grade section, it'll give you the answer, your grades automatically. That way, it's easier to see what grade you have in the course. Okay, so here, if you go to grades, it'll tell you like the assignments that you submitted. For example, I just did this pretest and I only answered a couple questions. I left the other ones blank, so my score was 0.1. Out of the 2 that I answered, I got 1 wrong, so I only got 1 right. The assignment was worth 2 points. If there's a dash, that means you have not submitted the assignment, so you can go ahead and click here. That's another way to get to the assignments quickly, is go to grades and it'll show you what you need to grade. It'll have a dash if you haven't graded. It'll have a score if you've graded it. If I've paid any, so let me leave the student view. If I have made any comments on the assignment, I'll be able to, you'll also be able to see it there, basically under grades, under that one assignment. Okay, so pay close attention. Oh, I went to the teacher's view, so now you guys can see everything. Let's see. Let me get out of that really quickly. So you guys won't be able to see everybody's grades. You will only be able to see your grade, and like I was showing you earlier, you'll see what assignments you're missing. As a student view, back to this home page, like I said, you'll see what is due that course. It'll have your to-do list. So if here, these things means it's announcements. So the first one is where you can access the syllabus either through the announcement, or you can click on here, syllabus, and it'll take you to the syllabus. So pay close attention to this stuff. One thing that I do recommend is that going into your account settings, this is test student. So you'll go into your settings, or notifications, sorry. I'm not authorized to do that as a student. Okay, let me go back to the teacher view. One thing I do recommend, and it's in your orientation package, that you want to go to notifications and change those notifications, that any grade assignments that you wanted, oh, here it is. Okay, finally. So any course activities, if you're interested in your due dates, you want them emailed to you or just to put them in your calendar. So if you want them emailed to you, click here. If you want them just in your calendar, just click here. I would say announcements. Make sure you go in that notification settings and click check the announcements, and also any grading that you want to be checked, send them to your email. Any invitations that you want, anything here, discussions, if you want it sent to your email or just your calendar, please make sure you do that. Okay, so those are the only things that I wanted to tell you guys. Make sure you look at your discussions and things like that. I need to attend to my son. Hopefully you don't hear him crying in the background. But thank you for watching this, and I'll be in touch with you, okay?